Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Atarah, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and AMREZY collab. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Atarah Mayhew. So if you want to see what's inside this PR box that I received, keep watching. Okay guys, so here's how the PR box looks. And we open it up and we've got the leaflet just with information about the palette, and then of course you have the palette. Okay, so we'll take out the palette, and the palette comes in its own plain pink box, and then we open that up, and then the palette is covered in like pink sparkly glitter, again with AMREZY's name on the front. And you open the palette up. So the palette has 16 shades, including 10 matte eyeshadows, 4 pressed pigments and 2 pressed glitters. And it comes with the brush that most of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes usually come with. So I'll show you another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just to compare. So this is another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So size-wise, you can see the difference. Again, there's the difference in the sizes. So the usual Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes have 14 shades, this new AMREZY palette has 16 shades. The mirror on the other side. So here's the mirror covered in little gems, and it has AMREZY written on it. Really cute little hand mirror. So just for size comparisons, here's just the normal Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror, and then here's the AMREZY mirror. So slightly different shape, slightly a bit smaller. So that's what comes in the PR box. If you want to see what look I create with this palette, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by doing my base. So I've already cleansed my skin. Now I'm going to go in with the Insignia London Rosehip Oil. So I'm going to use this to moisturize. So I'm just going to do a few. I don't need a lot. So I've let that oil absorb into my skin for about 5 minutes, and I went ahead and did my brows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. So now I'm going to do my base. So for my foundation, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade 410C. I'm going to blend it down my neck a bit, because when I watch some of my tutorials of back, it doesn't really match. So we're going to blend down here today. So we're looking all one shade. Okay, I think that's looking a bit better. But I can brighten it and stuff with concealer, or darken it with my bronzer or contour if I need to. So my base is pretty much done for now. I'm going to go in and prime my lid with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. So this is a nice light base that will help the eyeshadows pop a lot more on my skin tone. I'm just going to blend this out all over my eyelid with a damp beauty blender. And I'm going to go upwards slightly towards my brow, because I will be blending colour all the way up there. I'm going to start off by going into this shade first, which is 1988, and I'm going to pack that into my crease and a little bit on my lid. I'm using the brush that came with the palette. Right before I'm about to start blending out my eyeshadows, I'm just going to run the sponge back over my lid to smooth out any creasing, and we're good to go. So now we're gonna go in and just soften out the edges like I've done on this eye. So same brush, and we're just gonna start blending out the edge a little bit. And it doesn't need to be perfect, because we are gonna go in with another shade. back in with the fluffy side of the brush just to blend that a bit and soften it. Now I'm going to go into New Yorker, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go just above what we've blended out, 1988. And then we're going to blend it upwards towards my brow. Applying that same shade underneath. And blending it out. Right, so now that we've blended out those shades, I'm going to go in to the shade BK, which is this black shade right here. And we're going to apply that to my lid. And I'm going to stop about there because I want it to kind of fade into that dark brown shade, the 1988 shade. So you've got your smoky eye done. Now for the fun part, we're going to add a little pop of colour. So I'm going to go in with this I'm going to go in with this pink shimmery shade right here called AMREZY. And I'm going to apply that on my inner corner. And then I'm bringing it into my lower lash line a little bit. Then I'm also going to go into this shimmery pink shade right here called Barb. I'm just going to add a little bit of that on top. There we go. So it just adds a bit more sparkle. And then you want to get a pink eyeliner or something to put in your waterline. So I don't have a pink liner, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Soft Pink. So here's how it looks. I'm going to use that in my waterline. When I was thinking what look to do, I was really indecisive of whether to do the smoky eye with the pop of pink or whether to do it with the pop of blue, which is Leo. So I'm gonna do blue on the other side just so you guys can see how it would look with a pop of blue, but you could choose either side. So you could either do the pop of pink, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. If you're a bit of a cold-hearted biatch and you don't have a Valentine's, you can do the pop of blue. So we're going into the shimmery shade Leo, and I'm gonna add that on the inner corner. Oh, that is blue. And then I'm going to go back into the shade Barb just to apply it on top. And then for our waterline on this side, I actually do have a blue eye pencil. This one's from Illamasqua. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here called Anastasia, and we're going to use that as a bit of brow highlight. Ooh! Right, so I'm just softening and blending that out so it's not too harsh. Okay, so brow highlight's done. Now I'm just going to go and line my inner corner with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Just like that. We're going to add some mascara and lashes. It's only right to add Anastasia lashes since I'm using an Anastasia palette. We can't be traitors out here. I'm going to be using IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in the style Dreamy. Ooh, they are dreamy. So I'm just going to grab some tweezers to pinch them together. Pinch the false lashes together with my natural lashes. So our eyes are done. We're going to add some highlights. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, Sunshine, maybe a little bit of Wish. So pretty. We need that love to shine through on Valentine's Day. Cupid's bow. nose. Hang on, hang on. Got a little bit carried away with the nose highlight. I'm just toning it down a bit with a bit of bronzer. Gonna go in with a little bit of blush because I feel like there's colour on my eyes, so I want to put a tiny bit, tiniest, teeny weeny bit of blush on my cheeks. So I'm going in with the blush trio in Pink Passion, and we're just going to use them all. Really light-handed, just tapping it on the apples of my cheeks. So for lipsticks, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Cool Brown, and then I'm also going to go on top of that with the liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. There we go. Then I'm going to pop a bit of sand on the centre. I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia banana powder just under my eyes to brighten and set it. So the face is done, time to set. And just pat that in. And we're done. Okay guys, so here's the final look using the AMREZY palette. Whether you're loved up and want to be looking cute for bae, or whether you're a cold-hearted biatch and just want to look cute for yourself. So you can either do the pink or the blue. So let me know in the comments guys, which side are you? Are you the loved up pink side, or are you the cold-hearted blue side? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, I'll hopefully see you on the next one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Atarah Mayhew. Follow me on TikTok at Atarah Mayhew. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.